Hello and welcome to Friday's market summary with me, Andrew Nellis. Concerns over US government budgetary provisions have eased today following the successful passing of the negotiated bill through the House of Representatives. The bill in fact passed through the House with a large margin of 3 votes to 1, and investors will be hopeful the bill will pass through the Senate with equal success. The bill, if passed, will end concerns over another government shutdown as seen in October for at least another 2 years. Despite this good news, concerns remain amongst investors over the potential impact of the reduction of quantitative easing measures, which could be announced as early as next week by the Federal Reserve. In market news, the story of the day has been RSA Insurance, after the FTSE stalwart slumped over 18% on open this morning after announcing the resignation of Chief Executive Simon Lee over the deepening concerns over the group impact of the alleged accountancy irregularities in its Irish operations, and comes on top of the resignation of Irish Chief Philip Smith last month. The company also announced that its Irish operations will need to be bolstered by another 130 million on top of the previous 70 million announced in November to cover a shortfall in injury claims at its motor insurance division. The company did go on to say that it still expects its 2013 growth to be in the mid-single digit range, but is some way below what analysts had expected for the current year. In a reversal to yesterday, Sports Direct International and Perform Group have been today's top performers as investors have looked to benefit from a bounce in the stocks after yesterday's heavy declines. As the FTSE 100's biggest gainer, Sports Direct added over 4% and Perform added over 19% as the FTSE 250's leading gainer. Natural resource miners have had a mixed day today as gold miners have generally moved higher on a bounce in commodity prices, with Randgold Resources and Hochschild Mining climbing on the day, but there's been further weakness amongst base metal miners including Kazakhstan and Rio Tinto. Oil producers have also seen weakness in reaction to the ongoing retracement in the price of Brent crude. If you'd like to read the full market summary, please have a look at the website and read at your leisure, and have a fantastic weekend.